If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. So today I have an unboxing to do. It is going to be a loop swap. This one is the mug and snack swap. And Valerie Singer from Singer Family Adventures is the one that put on this swap. Actually, she is putting on a bunch of swaps this summer leading up into her 50th birthday to celebrate. And I think I'm in all of them, if not all, definitely most of those swaps. So you'll be seeing those recurring if you haven't already seen a few of them. So anyway, I actually got my box from Valerie. So I'm pretty happy to open this up and see what's inside. I went and removed our addresses and stuff from the top and stuff. So let's get into this box. Ooh, I'm seeing lots of stuff in here. Show you guys. So first, we have a postcard, and it is a really cute Donald and Goofy and Mickey sketch postcard. I'll show you guys that. And it says, "Tiffy, I was happy to send to you for this swap. Enjoy a few sweet treats plus some coffee treats. And I hope you love the mugs. So glad to get to be friends and know you. Val." And like I said, that's the card. I've gotten to know Val over the past few months. She's a really great person, and we've actually became pretty good friends through YouTube. And this is another postcard she sent me. She sent me a few blank postcards, so I can use those for art or send them off to people. This is a pirate ship. And this one's a pirate ship also, but I think it's Peter Pan on the pirate ship. So that's pretty neat. And then this one is Mickey and Minnie, and they're kind of in like Dapper Day outfits. And that's really cool. I like sketch type art. I'm gonna put those over to the side. And we have this, it says Starbucks. So let's open that. Okay. So this is actually a gift card to Starbucks, and then it says coffee. It's a $20 gift card so that I can go get me some coffees. Thank you, Val. That's very, very nice. So there's a few different things here. I think I'm gonna go with this big box that's in here first. Get that out of the way. Had to have my trusty scissors on hand because there's a little bit of tape here. Ooh. So take that little plastic piece off. Ooh, this is a pretty sturdy mug. And I actually was wanting this mug too. This is a Disney Marine mug, and holy cow, there is a lot of, there is like chocolate for days. There's chocolate, Three Musketeers and Snickers and Twix, and Milky Ways and stuff in the mug. And then this mug is a ceramic travel mug, because I've actually looked at it before online. And then like that's the lid. But this is like a ceramic cup, and it has like the metal holder. But because of this, you can just like put it on and have it on the go too, which is really neat. And like I said, there's all that candy that's in there, and then this box has a bunch of candy bars in it too. Like, oh my goodness. I know my brother, oh, probably both of them are gonna help with eating all of this candy. Okay. And then we have this yellow one, which I think is a mug also. Lots of tissue papers. Oh, this is so cute. I don't have anything like this at all. Valerie, something about her is she loves to go on cruisers. And this is a Disney Cruise Line mug, and it has Mickey, Goofy, Donald, Pluto, and Minnie on it, and like this is like a life preserver here, and on the inside it actually has Chip and Dale also, which is pretty cool. But yeah, that's the mug. That is such a pretty mug. I love both of these mugs, Val, and I thought it was only one mug. Okay, and then we have, I'll open this, but I'm not sure if this is actually something or if it was just for packaging purposes. Okay, yeah. That's just extra tissue paper for packing. And then, oh my goodness. Fun fact, I've never had any like Disney treats really that I remember, because when I went I was like 3, so I don't remember anything. I did get sent a Disney Rice Krispie treat one time, but I've never had like the candy from there. This is cool. These are, it says Warheads Sour Chew Candy Cubes, and these are Stitch Extreme Sours, and I love me some sour candy, and that is awesome. And then Val is like spoiling me on all these snacks and stuff. She sent several blow pops in here. Like, look at all of these. So I am stocked on treats for a while now. But yeah, thank you so much to Valerie from Sing Your Family Adventures for not only putting on this swap, but sending to me for this swap. You did an amazing job. Make sure you go watch everybody's video. I will put the links below, and when everybody posts their video, I will also like create a playlist, and that'll probably be like at the end of the video where it's like which videos to watch next and stuff. If you would like to see who I sent to for the mug and snack swap, I sent to the Brugato Sisters, and I will link their thing above also, and it'll be down below with everybody else's stuff too. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Go and hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you know when I have new content up, just like this. Like I said, this is going to be a whole summer thing with all of these swaps going on right now. So yeah, I hope everybody has a great day and is having a good summer and staying safe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!